Hey there, my name is Sam Weiser. I'm the Education Coordinator for Sequoia Riverlands Trust, and I'd love to tell you about an amazing internship opportunity that you can apply for called the Earth Academy program. The Earth Academy program is an internship being offered by Sequoia Riverlands Trust and being sponsored by the Environmental Protection Agency. Sequoia Riverlands Trust is a local nonprofit land trust, and our mission is to inspire love and lasting protection for important lands throughout the state of California. Right here in Tulare County, SRT owns and manages 7 different nature preserves, including the one I'm at right now, which is Kauai Oaks Preserve in Exeter. These preserves protect important habitat for native species like the oak tree and the grapevines you see behind me. In order to inspire this love and lasting protection for these important lands, SRT relies on its education program, and that's where the Earth Academy program comes in. The Earth Academy program is a year-long internship that is broken into 8 different topics or modules, with the first module starting in October and the last module, Module 8, finishing in May. Each module will contain 3 sessions, 2 classroom sessions and 1 field session. The first classroom session will essentially be an introduction to the topic and the materials or resources needed for that topic. Between the 2 classroom sessions, you'll be asked to interact with those materials or resources, and then during the second classroom session, we'll come together and discuss how those resources or materials are related to the topic and how the topic is related to our lives here in Tulare County. When we start the year, these first 2 sessions will be held via Zoom as campuses are currently closed. Hopefully by the end of the year, campuses will reopen and students will be able to meet outside of their regularly scheduled classes, and at that point, we'll have these classroom sessions on campus in person. The third session will be a full-day field trip out to one of SRT's beautiful nature preserves or a similar location. During these field trips, you'll get a chance to learn with your hands in an outdoor setting with other students. You'll also get a chance to meet some real-world professionals who work right here in the valley and hold jobs that you could have yourself one day. Lastly, you'll get to do things that you just can't do in a classroom setting, let alone sitting at home while on Zoom. So this is a really great opportunity to get outside and do some learning in a very different way than you're doing right now. Now, let's take a closer look at these 8 modules. In the first module, we'll take a look at group behavior and the role it plays in the survival of a variety of species, including our own. From there, in Module 2, we'll take a look at the carbon cycle, including photosynthesis and cellular respiration. And in Module 3, we'll take a look at grazing and rangeland health, and we'll understand how to monitor rangeland. And in Module 4, we'll look at soil and the various soil health principles. And during that module, we'll also make connections between Modules 2, 3, and 4, and understand how those connections can help us solve many of the problems we face today. In Module 5, we'll learn that ecosystems change over time, and that those changes can be either natural or caused by human impacts. In Module 6, we'll start thinking about how humans create those impacts and how we can create more positive impacts rather than negative impacts on the environment. In Module 7, you'll get a chance to synthesize all of the amazing things you've learned up to that point in the first 6 modules, and you'll use it to teach elementary and middle school students about some of these concepts. This is a great chance to show what you know and have a great time working with young students. Finally, in Module 8, we'll take a look at citizen science and community science projects. And we'll learn that we can make simple observations about the world around us, record them with things like our smartphones, and make that data available to scientists who can then use it to solve problems about the world around us. If you participate in the Earth Academy program, by the end of the year, you will have spent time outside using your hands to learn valuable skills in fields like conservation biology and sustainable agriculture. You will be more aware of career pathways available to you right here in the Valley, and you will have met real professionals in those career pathways. You will have practiced your public speaking and taught younger students valuable environmental concepts. But most importantly, you will have a better understanding of the world around you, the connections it takes to make that world work, and the power you have to make it a better place. Wow, this really sounds like an amazing program, doesn't it? If you agree, then I think you should take a chance and apply to Earth Academy, because you would be an amazing candidate. If you are interested, all you need to do is give us your email address and we'll send you an application. You can email me at sam@sequoiariverlands.org, or you can give your email address directly to your teacher and they will get it along to us.